go to Task Manager, click on Details. So here we are looking for a file called SOLIDWORKS fx.exe. SOLIDWORKS fs.exe, here it is. Then right click on that file, then end task. Finally end the process. Then go back to where we did the extraction. Then we now copy this solid scope folder, copy it and come and paste it on where we have done the installation, and program files, there it is. Copy it and paste it. Then you can replace the file in the destination like that. Then once that is done, open it, double click to open it. Then we are looking for SOLIDWORKS PDM. This file we want to rename it. Just right click and rename the file. Just leave the existing name, but at the end of it just add .bak, then click anywhere. Come back to where we did the extraction. Then right click on the solid quad enabler, open it, then confirm that by clicking OK to add them to your registry editor. Click OK. Here it's your time to shine. Before you launch your new features of SOLIDWORKS, just a kind reminder to remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos of the same. Otherwise, you can click on the help, then we go to my products, so you can compare or add more features on under the premium and professional versions. You can do that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel. And as well, you are welcome in case you find this video helpful in one way or another. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.